Hello, welcome G Chris TV viewers. Hope you would have seen part 1 of my video of Dubai. In the next part of my travel video on Dubai, I'll be visiting the Kite Beach. Then I'll be showing the glimpses of the 7-star and the most expensive, the tallest hotel in the world, Burj Al Arab. Then later I'll be showing Atlantis, the Palm Hotel. So please do join in this part 2 of my travel video on Dubai. Thank you. The water canal area under construction, you can see at a distance onto my right. Safa Park onto my right. In all these roads, you'll have to maintain a standard speed of around 100 kilometers. On to my left, you can find a row of car showrooms. You can see the Al Safa metro station. Dubai Public Library onto my right.
It is Madinatul Jumeirah.
What is the tallest building, Ijaz, onto my right?
Burj Al Arab.
One of the most expensive hotel to stay per day. In Indian rupees, they say around 1 lakh. Everything is gold plated, including the toilet. You can see onto my left, bluish color. Even to visit the hotel as a tourist, understand we'll have to pay around 150 dirhams, and we'll have to book online to see this building. The board says Wild Wadi. It is a water theme park. See the Kite Beach at a distance. Behind which you can see Burj Al Arab. That is the most expensive hotel which I described earlier. Everything is gold plated, and nearly 1 lakh rupees in Indian rupees per night stay. Beginning, you can see the Kite Beach. After visiting Kite Beach, we are going to Palm Jumeirah. It is about 5 kilometers from Kite Beach. Palm Jumeirah is known for Atlantis Hotel. Understand the location which you are going to see now. It is a man-made island. So I'm eager to see this man-made island. If we see the greenery on both the sides, we wonder, is it a desert area? Row of palm trees on either side. So you can see the board, Palm Jumeirah. The man.
Palm Jumeirah start.
Okay, so we are entering the Palm Jumeirah area, taking a right turn.
This is Nahil head office.
Oh, on to my right you can see the blue water island. There is a display on to my right. You can see the road controlled by radar.
Palm View Tower and Nahil Mall.
Okay, which is Nakil Mall?
This one.
You can see the Nakil Mall. On to my left you can see the monorail track that leads to the Atlantis Hotel. At a distance you can see. So it says Crescent West. On to the right is Atlantis. You can see the entrance. Without permission you can't enter.
These are all originals and they are all signed by various players.
Okay.
And you can actually buy them.
Okay. Pertaining to football or other games? Only the.
Oh, not only football. We have basketball, we have soccer, football, we have boxing.
Boxing.
We have Formula One.
Formula One. Okay.
We have movies. These are movies.
Movies. Okay.
Then this is golf.
Right. Thank you. So, other giants of the football team. I am in front of the world famous Atlantis, the Palm Hotel from Jumeirah. I am in front of Atlantis